Restaurant na kung saan kami kumain guys, beachfront siya, napakasarap ng Burlington Bay, ang tawag niya, beachfront restaurant. So guys, ito yung downtown ng waterfront, downtown waterfront na Vermont guys, so para ka na sa paradise. I think Vermont, napakaganda ng Vermont guys, it's really nice in here, so cozy. I think it's good if you're kung pwede ko uminom dyan ng beer, kaso nga lang hindi ako pwede uminom ng beer kasi nga magdadrive pa ako pa uwi. We're not planning to stay over, so I can't drink any alcohol. I wish na sana nag-stay kami ngayon, at least for one night, so I could eat and drink alcohol at the same time, and it would have been really fantastic, guys. Anyway guys, andito kami sa Lake and College Street, Skinny Pancake. Skinny, Vermont creepery guys, so pwede ka mag-breakfast dyan, so maybe even lunch. So kung gusto mo ng crepe, mga dessert, okay dyan sa restaurant na pero kasi dito kami sa beachfront, so nandiyan kami sa, pwede ka kasing mag-alcohol doon sa taas na yan, so I'm not sure kung pwede ko uminom ng alcohol guys dito, pero guys dyan tayo pupunta, nakikita nyo sa harapan natin. So pagdating namin dyan guys, at least pinapakita ko lang yung konting paligid niya, para magkaroon kayo ng idea. Lake Street to, College Street, so kung nasan tayo ngayon, ito College Street. Kung nasan tayo ngayon, it's Lake Street siya, so pupunta tayo doon. Ito guys, pwede kayo public parking for $20 dito, kaya dito lang kami nagpark kasi pag kumain ka dito libre ang parking. So so pag nagpunta kayo guys, $20 ang babayaran mo. So use credit card. No campers, no overnight parking dito guys, nakasulat dito. So it's just $20 public parking. May nakasulat din naman na $10 to park. So I'm not sure, $20 there, $10 here, so I'm not sure which one is. So public parking Monday to Sunday, 7 a.m. midnight, and weekend 6 a.m. midnight. Use credit card, that's it. Yes, so may mga Asian din dito. Yes, so nandun pa sila. Parating na. So ayan guys, may mga pamilya nagpa-park. So papasyal namin kayo doon sa dulo doon para makita nyo. So guys, ito yung legacy of stewardship. Ito yung dati. Anong
sabi rito, in the 1800s daw, Burlington's waterfront was a transportation hub. Yung mga rail cars, steamships at saka lumber yards. Tapos transform siya. Ito na siya ngayon. Ito na yan ngayon, transformation. Galing,
kasi meron siyang ito yung Center for Lake Champlain. Meron siyang, I think, pambata sa loob,
Parang meron ding mga play sa loob
May
kasi
mga play din
kanina
siya.
nakita ko may mga madalang. I think so.
So nakikita ko maraming pamilya may pumapasok. So ito, meron ka ring ice cream. Ano meron dito? Ice cream, I think. Chocolate and vanilla twist. Chocolate. So ito yung baby $4 for $55.50. So Dinosaur Safari. It's nice guys, Saturday, January 17. Siguro just experience, mukhang maganda rin sa loob, yung mahal, mukhang yung guys, yung para talagang dinosaur sa loob na meron sila, yan guys, I think this sounds cool. Dinosaur Safari. Pay and display. Mukhang maganda to sa January 17, September. September 7, meron sila guys, ano? So I think it's nice. Interactive science, live. Oh, merong ano guys, live animals, meron sila. Science and Nature, 3D films, ayan oh. So ito yung mga meron sila guys. Yeah. Yeah. So it's nice. Yo, mukhang mag-ice cream pa to mga to guys oh. Ah, there you go. Mag-ice cream ka rin.
Yes. What size? Just a small. Could I just have a good this one? You want the chocolate? Yes. No, just parang hina-hiya siya.
Very feminine and then she very shy so the lady. So guys, merong ano railway, haba siguro ito, no? May dumadaan pa kaya rito? Di ba? Mukhang railway nga talaga. Kasi totoo nga oh. Oo nga no, kasi iba parang ano lang, ginawa lang. Yeah. So guys, this is it guys, ano, papadrive na kami pauwi. Nag-enjoy kami the whole day. Dami namin napuntahan dito sa Vermont.
But you know, it took longer than ano, kasi di ba natagalan tayo sa border.
Natagalan pa kami sa border dahil nga sa dami. And then parang mas maigpit sila ngayon, no, kaysa nung last year tsaka nung 2 years ago. Nung punta kami rito, mas maigpit sila.
Ganda rito.
No, pero kasi noon talagang apat yung lane na bukas. Saka kung ano lang tinalog saglit. Ngayon medyo kaya mas lalong tumagal, di ba? Kasi mas maraming tanong.
Kinuha yung susi.
Kinuha yung susi. I don't know. Anyway, pero at least nakapunta na kayo experience. Then guys, we'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Ubusin lang namin yung ice cream and then
Off we go.
off we go. Yeah.
Bawal dito. No campers.
No campers, no overnight
No,
parking.
yung mga natutulog sa kotse,
Oh,
no?
oh, yung mga Hi sir, how are
Hi,
you?
sir.
How are you?
Very good. Yes.
How many we got?
We're 4. Yes, sir.
What's the purpose of your trip?
Just to see Vermont. We eat something. We buy some stuff. TJ Maxx.
What?
The value. We have the receipt at the back. How much?
Maybe
is
$100.
100 total?
Around that,
More
sir.
than 100.
Maybe more than that. 120, something like that. We have
Yeah.
all the receipts.
Is there any alcohol or tobacco?
Alcohol, tobacco, no, I don't smoke. I drink
much?
very.
How much alcohol?
Alcohol, no,
Oh no?
no. No tobacco, no alcohol.
Anything fun out there?
Oh yeah, Vermont is beautiful. I wish we could stay longer, but
Yeah.
Back to work.
we have to. My daughter has to back to work, and yeah, it's just short. Fun, short trip. Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you
Yeah,
so much,
thank
sir.
you.
Have a good night. Yes.
Much nicer here.
Yeah, it's nice.
And that's it.
Where are we? This way.
Dire-diretso.
Ang
bilis nandito, no?
You give extra information because you're nervous. You could have just said no.
No, but because
Yeah.
because I know he's Canadian, so
No,
I don't
kahit
mind
pa
talking.
di. Kaya hinihintay niya eh. How much alcohol, you know?
Because you said no tobacco, but it's like
Oh,
no. You
there's-
should have
Yeah.
said no.
So,
Anyway, I like talking to him. I'm used to police because I always, as a security guy, I talk to a lot of police. Well, I talk like that. Police people, I talk to them in Coordinate. A lot of them.
so ayun guys, mas mabilis yung paglabas namin papasok namin dito sa
Oh.
Quebec, you know, as opposed to
Kanina,
nung
iba eh.
papunta namin ng
Mahigpit yung police kayo na papunta sa US. Ngayon, dahil Canadian na eh. Kaya,
tinanong ano lang binili ninyo. Actually, more than $150 yun eh. Sinabi na lang.
Yeah.
100, how much? 120. Okay. Ganun lang. Did you enjoy your trip daw? Yes.
yeah, we did. Yeah, no alcohol, no nothing. Just we bought something. Yeah, so $100 something. Yeah.
So overall guys, tanungin ko na kayo, total nandito tayo bago tayo makarating. How do you find yung day trip natin sa Vermont? Ikaw ate?
It's fun.
It's fun? What about you, Andrew?
Very fun.
It's good? And?
Super fun.
Super siya lang yung nag-drive
The whole time.
the whole time.
I like to drive, so I have no problem with it.
Ayan, nandito na tayo sa Quebec. Hello, Quebec.
Hello guys!
Ay, salamat.
Nakabalik na siya.
Siguro mga about how many kilometers more? So maybe an hour more tapos nandun na kami. Yun yung time of arrival.
93 kilometers? I don't know.
Mhm.
Maybe more? 100, 105 maybe? Yeah, so
Yeah, that's it.
that's it.
So,
Ayun oh, 80.
80 kilometers.
80 kilometers.
80 kilometers pa daw.
So 80 kilometers guys, that's it.
Ayan. Ay, grabe ang ulap, umuulan. Buti na lang yung sa pinuntahan natin doon sa may waterfront. Medyo mainit, ano? Ang ganda.
Mainit dun sa...
So naka-experience tayo ng ano. Medyo araw-araw.
Yeah.
So, hinto na namin. Dito na lang. Hanggang sa
Alright,
susunod
guys,
na
we'll see
vlog.
you.
Bye!
Bye! Have fun! Kasi hawakan mo na kasi.
Grabe guys, oh. Kung makikita nyo yung clouds. Ayan, oh.
Grabe ang dilim, no?
Ang dilim. Ang lakas ng ulan
guys,
yan.
oh. Grabe, pambihira. Sobrang dilim. Sobrang lakas din yan, no? Kaya yung satellite
100%.
namin ay hirap, yung GPS guys, no?
Oo.
Ang hirap makita, nawala, oh.
Nako. Aso na tayo. Gamitin ko na kaya yung cellphone, no? Baka mawala, ma-miss yung ano. What do you think?
Reward din ba yung cellphone mo rito dahil ganyan?
Tingnan ko nga eh.
Sige, subukan mo.
Sandali. Ang ganda ng skyline. Ayan guys, so skyline ng Montreal. Yan ang downtown Montreal. I don't know if you could dito tayo. Ayan. Ganda, di ba? Dito na kami sa Pont Victoria. So, lapit na. Ilang minuto na lang.